Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Teamwork.com billing and projects detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Teamwork.com website. On the home page, locate and click the login button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and click sign in. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. From the dashboard, find the option for billing in the main menu. Click on Billing to access the billing settings. Review the different plans and select the one that suits your needs best. After selecting a plan, click on the Choose Plan button. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details and billing address accurately. Make sure to review your subscription details before proceeding. Once everything looks correct, click on the Confirm Subscription button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription is active. Next, navigate back to your dashboard. To set up projects, click on the Projects option in the main menu. Now, select Add Project to start creating a new project. Fill in the project details, including the name and description. Choose the appropriate team members to assign to the project. Hit the Create Project button to finalize the setup. Your project is now created and linked to your subscription. Continue to manage your projects and billing through the respective sections. This concludes the subscription and project creation process on Teamwork.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.